Hi, Patrina here to talk about my Beachbody Ultimate Reset experience. If you found me on YouTube doing a search of Ultimate Reset, you probably know already that it's a 21-day detox cleanse type program. And when you hear the word cleanse, you probably have a lot of negative associations with it, that you're going to be starving yourself, that you're going to be running to the bathroom every 5 minutes. And neither of these is true with the Ultimate Reset. You really do have incredibly good tasting meals, so much so that even me, a real meat and potatoes girl, didn't even wind up missing meat during the bulk of the reset. And weeks 2 and 3 you go totally vegan completely, which is, you know, I'm stunned that I actually managed to get through it and stick to it to the T. But the meal plan and the recipes that you're following, they really are super duper tasty. The supplements help you keep feeling good and energetic throughout the program. You're not starving yourself by any means, and you're getting your body in probably the best condition it's ever been in your life. For me, I lost 15 pounds during the 21 days, which is astounding. I lost 10.5 inches, 2 of them being around my waist. I cut my triglycerides levels nearly in half. I started the program, I was tested, the day before I started, and I started at 100, and my ending level was 54, which is crazy, crazy, crazy good. My body fat was lowered by 3%, which again is impressive, and most importantly, I just felt so much better, so much more energetic. I was really concerned about losing muscle mass, since I've really worked very hard to get my body in as best shape as I can through the different Beachbody programs that I've done. But I found that, the muscle mass I lost was probably pretty negligible, and I kept the bulk of it on, and leaning out the way that I did, you can actually see it a lot more. My muscles, I think, pop out and are far more noticeable than they were before the reset, which is fun. The biggest change for me too was changing my diet to a vegetarian diet, which is not something I anticipated when I started the reset, but after feeling how my body felt, I didn't want to start eating meat or cheese or dairy, although I haven't made the leap into full-on vegan, simply because I love my Shakeology too much. I love my chocolate Shakeology too much, I should specify, because there is a vegan tropical strawberry out there, and that was out there when I did the reset. Now there is a vegan chocolate that just came out this week, so now I can hopefully go on to full-on vegan. I may have a little bit of lapses into the land of eggs and cheese, but I think it'll be few and far between. It's a great program. I stopped needing to take Benadryl to get to sleep at night. I don't drink Coke Zero. I'm not addicted to caffeine anymore. I just feel all around 200% healthier, and starting out I thought I was the healthiest I could be, and now I know after doing the reset that's not true. There's always room for improvement. It's a phenomenal program. If you have questions, give me a holler. You can email me at coachpatrina@yahoo.com. Check me out on my website at patrinahamfitness.com. You can friend me on Facebook. I'm always happy to help, and if you opt to do the reset, I can give you some tips and tricks on how to really work your budget, work it where you're not taking a big of a hit as you should be on groceries. Have a good one. I look forward to working with you.